Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Everyday Growth Advisors live stream. I hope you guys are having a great morning today. It's about to be Friday, the last day of the week. Who's ready for the 0 day to expiries? Huh? 0 day to expiries, anyone? Definitely looking at some place today. Sniper's going to be up here in a second on the Discord, as usual. And, last night, well, my night, your morning, your afternoon, was looking at, the fact that we were getting overbought here. Didn't really like this wave up that much. Was looking at it and, I felt like, things were kind of buying up a little bit weak. And in all honesty, me and the team, we were actually playing some Apple calls to the upside. We took quite a few trades yesterday that, two which went sour, and then two of them that went pretty well for us. A DraftKings kind of a scalp, and then also a Apple call. There was a bit of a thesis behind the Apple call, but then we weren't really seeing excellent results. So let me kind of give you guys a breakdown of what we saw yesterday and why we played it, because I believe in this the process of educating you guys so that you guys understand. It's not enough for I feel a deep responsibility to not only just, tell you guys about the plays that I take. I think that's not helpful at all, in fact. I think that what is helpful is when you tell people why you're taking the trades to begin with, right? If you have a reasoning behind it, even if it's just technical, or if there's a reasoning behind it, you got to give people a full understanding so that you're not doing something blindly. It's just your duty as a this thing that you do. If especially if you're leading people and you're teaching people how to trade, you need to teach people the underlying reason why you do something, because otherwise, what sets you apart from everybody else, right? I mean, you're just another person following the crowd. Not saying everybody follows the crowd, just saying, there is a duty that you have to uphold when you are at a certain part where you have an influence, and when you can command a certain thing and you are trying to lead people, you have a duty. And I feel that duty stronger nowadays. I feel that duty stronger because, there is a community, and the community, they look towards traders who have the aptitude to make money, and those traders often mislead people thinking into making 1,000% plays every single day, and those 1,000% plays, when they go away, then what happens, right? What happens then when the market goes through a meltdown? What happens to all the contracts that you take? What happens to all the positions that you take? You can't live your life like that. I know that the past couple of days have been filled with a lot of anguish, honestly. There have been a lot of people on both sides of the fence talking about what has been happening with the markets, and how things have been on both sides a problem. My opinion on this is pretty simple. I think that both sides are wrong. I think that both sides could be right too. At the end of the day, you do what you feel, but what I do feel is wrong is for institutions to say that you can't trade. That is something that I say that's messed up. And I think that yesterday when Robinhood put out the news that they were going to disallow people from trading those specific stocks like Nokia, AMC, GameStop, I think that was the death of Robinhood. They kind of signaled that they were going kamikaze mode. That was something that I think the CEO has accepted, that they're going to accept the L. Anyway, not to get too much into it. I hate to get political or polarized. I think that staying level-headed is the best way to deal with the market. We have about an hour or more till market opens. Last night before I went to bed, right before, in Singapore here, I go to bed when the market closes. We took some hedges right up here. QQQ hedges. Those hedges are already up right now. We got some 300 puts for March 19th. They're up about $113. Just playing the corrective wave down. This was a huge wave up. We knew that would be a wave down. Now we're seeing kind of a left shoulder, head, and a right shoulder. If we don't break out of here, right? That would be a head and shoulder pattern, okay? Which is usually a bearish pattern, okay? So we'll see what happens today. Still, going to be a very exciting trading day. We will also be holding a live trading session together with Wave 14, the intermediate course currently, and the Discord community, which is now 70 plus members strong. The EGA tribe keeps growing, and I'm extremely grateful and humbled that people are very happy with the growth that we are seeing. Just a quick little update here. The portfolio that we have been trading since the start of this month is now up 20% year to date. You can see the P&L in my screen. This is a real-time account. This is a real account. I can log in to the account one of these days from the home screen so that this is not some kind of a simulation. These are live charts and whatnot, and we're up now about 20%. Today, we will be doing a rebalancing of the portfolio where I will be allocating this to $1,000 into stocks, and that stocks will be dividend stocks. Okay? This is in my effort to continue to teach you guys how to build a sustainable portfolio in the long run and show you that in the long run, sometimes keeping a passive approach is also a alternative for people who cannot sit in front of their computers and bear the high levels of stress that are, you know, encompassed with technical analysis, with, you know, watching the charts the whole day. You need to have other forms of trading styles. And therefore, this kind of a portfolio which I'm running, which is a 10,000 portfolio, is meant to highlight how you can run a portfolio in that degree. Okay, that is the reason why I started this portfolio. It mainly consists of strategies that are selling premium, running wheels, taking a very small percentage of this portfolio for day trades, and at the same time investing in dividend stocks that will build long-term wealth. Okay, that is what we aim for, long-term wealth. If you want to make money for this month and you're happy with $200,000 in a month from playing GameStop and AMC, that is fine. You do you. Okay, you do you. But what other people do also have to be respected. And what other people have in terms of their styles shouldn't be overlooked, because nobody has the best style and everybody's keep learning every single day. All right. So the market's pushing up a little bit over here. We'll see if we open up at the same position that we did. And okay. Quick announcement right before I start here. People who have been interested in signing up for the beginner's course, for the Everyday Growth Advisors mentorship course, the signups for wave number 15 for the beginner course are now open. You can click on learncompoundgrow.com/courses, click on the enroll now button, and you'll be brought to our webpage to enroll into this course here, where you can enroll into our community and then be a part of wave number 15, which will be happening from next Monday. Okay, next Monday to Friday. All right, that will be a 5-day course, which will be focusing on technical analysis, focusing on building up fundamental reasoning within market structures, teaching you how to value a business through fundamental analysis, all right, which is a cornerstone of that class, of that course, okay? And we will also be looking at options trading, okay? So it'll be a mix of everything, and we hope that we will see you there, okay? We hope that we will see you there. Okay, excellent. So also today is going to be a day where we choose the new ticker for next week. So make sure that you guys drop your tickers in the chat. And if I can ask you one favor, that favor would be to go to my previous video and drop a comment on there. There's almost 50 something of you guys. If you can go to the previous video on Wednesday and drop a comment on that video, I would seriously love you guys for a long time. I'm gonna do a recap of Fubo really quickly after this. But if you can go to this video and drop a comment, I would truly appreciate you. They don't let you drop comments while the live trading session is, while this live stream is going on, so you can only do it after. And so if you can just drop a comment and talk about how you enjoyed the stream or how it has helped you, I would truly appreciate it. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like the stream, because we do this every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, doing the pre-market analysis for you, so you don't need to do it. Okay. Excellent. So here on the pre-market, let's have a look at the news. Johnson & Johnson single-dose vaccine is 100% effective at preventing deaths, says hospitals. Okay. Biden COVID team derides Trump plan while borrowing its playbook. Most vaccinated nations struggle with virus variants. Okay. Vaccine safer for elderly. Okay. Why enough Hong Kongers to fill Belfast may flee to the UK. China executes former head of asset manager, but dude, yo, this is crazy, man. Yo, this is crazy, yo. So China sentenced this guy to death for embezzling money, and he's gone. That's a very sad day. I don't know, man. You know, I think capital punishment is just too much, and it's really weird because I'm from Singapore, where capital punishment is a thing as well. So yeah, man, that's a tough one to swallow, things like this, you know. That's a tough thing. Like, yes. Okay, anyway. Futures drop with stocks, treasury yields rise. We've been looking at treasury yields for a long time, haven't we? Treasury yields were dropping and then now they're rising, so stabilizing a little bit. We'll see if we can continue. We were peaking at 1.88, then came down to 1.79 day before yesterday, and today we're at 1.81 yesterday. So we'll see how this continues to develop. We do have some TLT calls already set up, and might be going for a little bit of a downtrend before a uptrend. We'll see if it can hold the line and push up here. And yeah, that will be something that we will be looking at. Okay, so Leo just trying to recalibrate as influence growth. Taiwan's GDP growth, okay. Bubble warnings everywhere just keep getting louder. Yeah. Definitely true. I do agree with this sentiment right here. It definitely does feel like the 2001 bubble all over again, where assets were inflated and people were hyping into everything. GameStop gains off hours as Robinhood reinstates trading. See, let me tell you the most disturbing thing about this, okay? Let me tell you the most disturbing thing about this. They halted trading yesterday, but why is it okay to trade today? Why did they reinstate it today? If it was a risk yesterday, it's a risk today. You gotta be fools if you think that we are idiots. You know what I mean? This is an idiot move. Robinhood just dug themselves into a huge hole that they can't get out of. My guess is that they halted the buying yesterday so that they could let institutions exit. That's my take on this. Personally, I honestly don't know why they would do something like that. It's stupid, and somebody needs to get to the bottom of it. And somebody from Robinhood needs to go to jail for this. Like, this is criminal. You cannot get away with this. To lock people out and not being able to manage their money overnight, causing losses in millions and billions. This is a criminal activity. This is not just civil. You know what I mean? Surge in trading volume causes glitches for high-speed traders. Okay, U.S. households heading to 2021 on a firm footing. J&J COVID-19 vaccine was 66% effective. Caterpillar flags signs of recovery amid slack demand. Okay, cool. Yeah, so far so good. One more thing that you need to remember is, you remember I put out this one infographic the last time. The amount of people trading on margin is at all-time high right now, okay? The margin depth to S&P 500 is all-time high. This is, pretty crazy, okay? 2008 financial crisis, we were up there. Right now, we're, obviously we can go much higher. But remember what I'm saying here. The fact is that a lot of people are borrowing to make trades right now, okay? And that amount is more than the amount that is, usual. This is something that you have to watch and you have to keep track of. So we'll see if we can push up here with the NASDAQ. If we make 2 consecutive higher highs here, we already got the first wave here. So this is the first wave. We get a second wave. We get a consolidation above here. I'll be inclined to play NASDAQ to the upside today. Anything NASDAQ to the upside. S&P 500, same deal with S&P 500. We'll see. We already have one wave here. The second wave up. We'll see if we can get, a nice push. Consolidation above the moving averages. And then play it to the upside. Until then, I'm still going to be bearish. And we could get rejected here. So we'll see how this goes. Okay. What is the ticker of the week, guys? Good morning. How are you guys doing? X Mars Spot, what's up, man? Shoei, Melissa, Sebly, what's up? Azuzina, Susie, what's up? Keston, Santosh, Michael, Felix, what's up? P-San, Raj, what's up, man? How you doing? Kabir, yo. Where do you check pre-market charts? This is TradingView. I have access to the real-time data, so they give me pre-market data. I'm glad the courses are recorded. I have been unable to attend the last 2 nights due to work calling me in for snow removal. No worries, man. I sent all the recordings to you. You should have it sitting in your mailbox, including the live session links. New ticker QRVO, NOK, LHX. Okay. When's the next intermediate course? So Okay, this is a good question. I don't think the next intermediate course is going to be anytime soon. I think that it's going to be, you know, probably I want to say more than likely more than a month away. There's going to be some restructuring with the way that we're going to be doing things, especially with the new technical analysis course that I will be releasing very soon. I want to say the technical analysis course will be sometime in the end of February. Sometime at the end of February is when I intend for that course to go live. So during that time, I want to start, you know, moving around the schedule a little bit. So we'll see how that goes. The next intermediate course I think will be sometime in March. I want to say, sometime in March. The frequency of these courses are more than likely going to be slower now. We are planning to scale down the number of courses, as in the number of times that it happens per month, and we're planning to increase the efficiency of these courses. So there's a new kind of a structure that will be coming very soon to the school itself. Learn, Compound, Grow is growing, and you know, as I said, you know, this school is something that I've built from the ground up to really take advantage of some interesting dynamics. And so, you know, we have a community which is inbuilt within the school itself. And so, you know, even if you're not part of the Discord community, that will be something that you can be a part of, just being a part of this community, the school community. And we have a lot of people that are part of this community that share charts, share experiences, you know, are part of different waves. And, you know, you can meet all of your batchmates here, and, you know, they all talk to each other, and it's a really fun thing to be a part of, in my opinion. So that will be something that will be changing, and we'll continually be improving, right? EGA will be anything but a standstill this year. We are continuing to innovate. We are continuing to use, you know, technology and data to our advantage, as we always have from the beginning. There is no room for slack. You know, we don't have any room for staying where we are. We will be pushing ahead and not looking at other people. We'll be doing what we do best, which is staying true to our message, staying true to our way of doing things, because I believe very strongly in what we do, and it's always going to be the focus is always going to be on education. It's always going to be on education. Education 1, that's the first thing that we look at, because educating people is the most fulfilling thing I've done this previous year, and I will continue to do it. That's exactly what I did when I was where I was prior to this, and I led the team over there, and I know how to do it the best there. So I know that when I'm doing this on my own now, I know exactly what I want to do. Before I was a little trapped, but now I'm like a little caterpillar in a cocoon that's come out as a butterfly. You know what I'm saying? AMD 85 put for 219. Interesting. We have a lot of time on the stream today, guys. So you know, feel free to put your tickers down. Talk about, you know, talk about your next week's picks as well. I'll be answering a lot of questions on the chat today. Apart from that, okay, news is done. Let's look at the pre-market movers here. So pre-market movers here, we're looking at mostly some semiconductors that are moving. AMD I actually like to the upside more than the downside. It's a swing trade. Tech here, not really, you know, looking extremely strong. We'll see what happens. Amazon as well. Yesterday called out a debit spread on Amazon, which was pretty banger. That thing paid close to 100% yesterday. That was great. Let's see. Entertainment suffering. Healthcare. I'm surprised J&J is down. Pfizer's up 4%. Healthcare, Lilly reported better than expected earnings and also some good guidance. Caterpillar up on positive beat. Energy still suffering as solar takes the center prize. And then the other thing that we're looking at is financials. Financials has been beaten down for a couple weeks now, and we're looking to rotate into financials and industrials. Those are the two sectors that I want to rotate into. Energy as well, of course. JP Morgan here looking nice for a possible bounce, but we're not going to take this until we have a confirmation. The same goes for Morgan Stanley and Wells Fargo Chase. Bank of America also coming down to crazy levels here. The funny thing is we had some $28 puts that we bet on that were here, and I closed them out somewhere, I think here. Took profits on those. I think it was 60% up for March expiries. And honestly, I think this might, kind of head down into that region. It's looking like it, It's looking like it. Everything has been overbought. And so I think that it makes sense that everything gets oversold. We haven't seen oversold yet. We're just seeing, kind of like a wave down, a wave up, next wave down, and then you have mini waves between, right? So this is your big wave, A to B to C, and you need your D wave, and in between you have your A to B, but then you have an I, right? You have your mini wave I, right? Your I wave, and then your I wave, right? And then you have your I wave, I triple I wave, and then you have within this waves too, you have mini waves. So these are all your mini waves. This is your big wave. This is a big wave, right? These are mini waves. So we're looking for the big wave again. Either gonna be a pivot to the downside, or if we hold above this level, then it could be a pivot to the upside. I'm inclined to believe that more than likely we will continue to slide downward, not upward, in a bid to correct asset prices that have been too exuberant. We're kind of trading sideways, and so that may also happen. Sideways trading may also occur. I'm inclined to trade very, very lightly today, just FYI. Don't want to take trades that I don't need to. I'll only take trades that will be excellent in terms of risk to reward ratio, nothing else. Or I'll open swing trades. Simple. Swing trades do not, as many of you know, swing trades do not take into account momentum and volume. They are directional plays. Okay, morning tea. What's up, Andrew? How you doing? Relax. Okay. Smash the like button. Yes, please. If you can smash the like button. There's 70 of you here. I would really, really appreciate it if you take a second out of your day to smash the like button. And then also here, I'm gonna put a link in the YouTube page, in the YouTube chat. If you can just go to this link and just go comment on that video, you're gonna really do me a solid. Like seriously, guys, you're gonna really do me a solid if you just go to this video and comment on it. Honestly, you don't even need to comment anything crazy. Just comment like emoji, if you will. Honestly, that would really help me out a lot. I put the link in the chat. All you need to do is tap on it, go there, and comment like an emoji. That's all. Please help me do that. Please, thank you. New ticker, Netflix. That's a good one. We haven't done Netflix. That's true. We could do Netflix. LHX, that's another one. Okay. NOK, Nokia. Maybe not. QRVO, what's that? Corvo. What it is? Electronic technology, semiconductors. Okay. Interesting. Never heard of the stock, but okay. Okay. I'm excited for the TA course. I am too. Honestly, I'm really excited for the TA course. Long time no see. Sorry, I've been working. No problem. What's up, man? How are you doing? Miss y'all. Hope all is well. All is well. Markets be cray. Yep. New ticker, Lockheed Martin. That's also a really good one. Should we wait? Have we done Lockheed Martin before? I feel like maybe we have. I don't know if we have. Let me check. I don't think so. Maybe not. Yeah, probably not. Lockheed Martin could be a good one. We've done Baidu, JP Morgan, Amazon, IQ, GM. Yeah, we've done Raytheon, Next Era. We've done PayPal. We've done Teladoc, DocuSign. I mean, unless y'all want to like do a repeat of another company and see where see the valuation where it's at. D-Dog. I didn't see LMT. Checked by my vote. Yeah, I got you. XOM. BB. Micron. Have we done Zoom? No, I don't think we've done Zoom before neither. Nike. Nike's a good one too. Yo, Nike's a great one as well. Honestly, Nike's a great one. And it's also red. Nike's red. If you look at the 1 week performance, these are all red. How about we choose one in this field right here? Okay, let's pick one over here, guys. Let's do Nike, Starbucks. Oh, wait, we've done Starbucks before, I think. Have we done Starbucks? I think we have. I feel like we've done Starbucks. Yeah. We have done Starbucks before. We have not done Nike. We've done Chipotle, though. You guys want to do McDonald's or Nike? We could also do AT&T. We could also do Takeda if you want. I don't mind. Takeda. Takeda is also good. This is a Kathy Woods play. We've done Neo already, Jeff. We did Neo recently. Takeda Pharmaceuticals is also a good one. This one has been bought aggressively by the ARK fund. And the company is pretty solid. Seems like everybody wants Nike though. Nike. Okay. We can do Nike. I wouldn't mind it. Alright then. Nike it is. I see a lot of Nike. We'll do Nike. We'll do the medium term on Nike, so. Let's see here. Okay, we shall do Nike. Sounds good. Walmart's also a good one actually, but since everybody wants Nike, we can do Nike. All right, let's choose one last time, guys. One last time. Let's put it to a vote. I see a lot of Nikes though, so I mean I think Nike's gonna take it. So one last time, which ones do you want? Do you want Nike? Do you want Walmart? Or do you want Takeda? I think those three are pretty good in my opinion for bullish plays. Okay, everybody wants Nike. It seems like it. Alright, we'll do Nike then. Nike's a great one, in my opinion. Oh geez, some Takeda coming in too. Oh man. Hey, wait, you can't vote more than once. You guys. I see Nike. Damn, some Takedas too. You guys are like making me so confused. All right, you know what? Just keep. Fine, I'm gonna do the vote on IG right now. Fine, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna vote on. I'm gonna make the vote on IG. You guys gotta go vote on IG. All right. Alright. Sounds good. If I get the time, I'll put the ticker up. If not, we're gonna go with Nike. But I see a few people want Takeda as well, so it's a split between both. We'll see. We'll do Nike versus Takeda, and we'll see which one people want. Okay, cool. Anybody have any questions for me? Oh, it's gonna be a pretty short stream today, otherwise. Let's see. Novavax, London, Bitcoin soared after Elon Musk said something. Do we have any news on insider trading here? Let's have a look. Zuckerberg sold more shares. Why? Why is he selling so many shares? That's interesting. Zuckerberg has been selling a lot of shares, guys. Like, look at this here. 15 million here. Another 13 million here. Okay. Here, look at this. You want to see how many shares Zuckerberg has been selling? It's quite crazy. Here, look at this. Okay. Almost every day of this year, he has sold shares. And they've all been the same block of the same amount, except for these. This must be a glitch because he obviously has more shares. How weird is that? Yeah, we have a Walmart debit spread. Yes, it is a good play. I mean, to the upside, sure. I think that Walmart's a great play. I like Walmart. It's a good swing trade. It's in the demand zone. We have a target up here at 149. I think that it's a good swing here. If you want, you can wait for it to come down a little bit more. But yeah, it's a pretty decent play. Damn, we got rejected here. You guys see that? Rejection. Okay, I have a question for you guys. Who here wants to be a part of the live trading session today? Now that all the people who heard me say that the stream's going to be short left, I was trying to shake out some weekends. Who wants to join in on the live trading session today? With me and the team and the Discord and the alumni. You guys want to join in? See, when you come to the EGA, when you come to the Everyday Growth Advisors live stream, you never know what's about to happen, do you? You know, it's like I could just give you guys access to the Zoom call, and you can be a part of our live stream for a day. You know, follow me live, see me trade live with my brokerage open, no gimmicks. We do it every day on the Discord anyway, which, you know, that's something that you have to see if it's value or not. But yeah, today is gonna be a great. I think, but I'm gonna give you guys fair warning though. I'm not gonna trade much today. I will probably, but then again, I have said that and then gone into many trades also. So don't believe what I say. An alumni from EGA. Santosh, I just hope you know that I'm no longer affiliated with Option Swing. I run my own thing right now. I don't align with their business model. But I mean, not saying anything against them. They're a cool bunch of people. Just that, you know, I hope you know that I'm not with them anymore. Okay. So, in that case, since there are so many of you that want to be a part of it, here you go. This is the link to get into the Zoom later. Let me see. The Zoom call will start in approximately, I want to say, 20 minutes. Here you go. That's a Zoom call. If I see you, I'll see you. We'll be there in like maybe 20 minutes or so. I think I'll start in like 20 minutes, maybe 15. If we end this stream earlier, then you know we'll be there earlier. So me and the team will be there. We'll trade together. It's usually a very fun session. We talk to each other, laugh, you know, and we have a lot of fun. Honestly, it's more of like banner discussions, market discussions, you know, and just a really bunch of really good vibe people. The passcode's right there. Peter, it's like right there. The passcode is right below the meeting ID. 592441, right there. Yeah. So yeah, feel free to join in on the live trading session today. I'll give you guys this once in a while. You know, it's always good to give back to the community, and I honestly love it when you guys can be a part of something like this. So I hope that you guys enjoy it today, and I welcome you guys with open arms to the live trading session. You know, to see how we trade on a daily basis. You know, it's a fun process, and I thoroughly enjoy being trading with the team. So Shopify here, also a nice swing trade, to be honest. I'm actually running through my list right now to see what's a great trade here. So if you look at Shopify here, it's been in an uptrend. I mean, of course, like it can go a little further down here, right? But might not be a bad idea to nibble some position here, like a small position, and then add more later if you want it. Market's still trading slightly bearish. We'll see what happens there. Starbucks also possible bounce here. We'll see if it's there. For people who are part of the community, guys, once again, if I can really just ask for your help, it's one thing. Go on to this video, the previous one, and seriously, just drop a comment on this thing. That's all I ask for. Like, there's almost 60 people here, but I only see like what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people who commented. It's kind of sad. Like, why wouldn't you guys help me out? I'm just asking for something so small. You know, I'm putting the link in the chat once again. All you have to do is go there and comment. I'm testing something out. Honestly, if it doesn't work, I'm never gonna ask you guys to do it ever again. I'm testing out to see if when you comment on these videos, does it mess with the YouTube algorithm? That is what I'm doing. I'm really not doing this to get more comments in the videos. I want to test a new strategy out and see, do the comments make a big difference? If you can just go and take 1 second out of your day to just drop literally an emoji like this, drop an emoji, that would be really, really helpful for me. You know, like you don't even need to say anything if you don't want to. But if you want to drop some nice words, then sure, do it. You know, and then don't forget to like this stream as well. That would be really helpful for the EGA tribe. Tesla up here 25% for the month, guys. Wow, wow, wee, wow. Adobe and Oracle down, Facebook down, Verizon down. AT&T down, T-Mobile down, Disney down. I'm actually inclined to play Disney soon. I'm looking at it. Coca-Cola is a snatch deal here. I've mentioned this multiple times. If you're looking to add a dividend stock, you can add Coca-Cola or AT&T. These two are amazing. AT&T with a higher dividend yield. Coca-Cola with like, you know, consistent dividends. Both pay you quarterly though. AT&T better dividend yield though. Also gotta look at the dividend payout ratio, so make sure you do research. 19 February TSM 140 calls. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's possible, I guess. Just wait for the confirmation. You have like one wave up. You have one wave so far. You need another one. You need another wave to take this to the upside. But after you do have that wave, then yeah, sure. Swing high, swing low. Yep, absolutely. Your target should be somewhere around here. 140 seems probable. Wait, you said 19 February? No, 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 no. Not 19 February, man. Come on. Not 19 February, bro. That's way too soon. Nah, you need like a month at least for TSM. It's a pretty slow mover, man. 19 February is way too soon, man. You ain't gonna make money on that. You're gonna get burnt by Theta for sure. Your contract's gonna be dead. It's too soon. Especially with this market downturn right now. You don't know when this is gonna end. I mean, it could end tomorrow and this could rip, but what I'm saying is don't take the risk like that. If you're gonna buy a contract, make sure you buy a quality contract. Why waste your money and buy crap, right? That's my point. OSTK March $100 calls. March 19th. Also possible. March seems a bit more probable. Yeah, okay, that's a fairly decent one, I would say. If the momentum and the volume keeps coming in though. So I would say try to be cautious. That's what I would say. STK, if you're taking this position and you're in profit, move your stop loss up so that you take profits. SDC, Smile Direct Club. Let's see here. $15 call. Okay. For 19 February. Huh. I do see the possibility. I do like the pattern and I do like the volume. Yeah, I think so. I think this should be okay, but once again, I feel like your expiry is a bit too close. Like, should have been at least end of February, in my opinion. Because you still, I mean, honestly, it's in a better position than, than most. But I'd say you'd rather buy a more expensive contract, get some of the time value. But then again, it's up to you. It's just a safer way to play it. That's all I'm saying. You could take the risk and take the 19th February one though. Just in my opinion, it's always better to pay for time value. This is my opinion. Was there any others? Okay, so the link for the Zoom call is there. I'm gonna pin it. I'm pinning it on top of the chat. So you can join the Zoom call now if you want. I'm gonna actually go into it. And then I will see you guys on this Zoom call, I guess. Whoever who wants to be here. I'll let you guys in a second here. Alrighty. Cool. All right, we'll see how many of you join. There's 20 of you here so far already, so I hope that more of you will join. But yep, there is also will be other alumni which will be joining from the wave number 14, and then there will be the Discord community. So I think we should have quite a few people on here today, and it should be fun. And I will be choosing Nike for the ticker of the week next week so that I can just get on with it. We'll do Nike next week, and then yeah, it's gonna be an interesting week. So I wish you all a great weekend. Thank you for coming by to the stream. Also, I'm thinking I may change the timing of this stream in the future. I would actually love some feedback on that. The password's also there in the pinned. Look at the pinned message on the chat. The best invest. It's right there. It's like what is it? 592441. That's the passcode. What do you guys think if I changed the live stream timing to during market hours? Or like maybe like 30 minutes before market open and then stretch into the first 30 minutes of market open? You know, like just a little bit later. I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud, thinking how it would affect your timings, because I know a lot of people tune in here pretty early. And I'm just thinking how to make it easier for you guys, because to be honest, I feel like some of you wake up really early and I want to make it easier on you. Maybe I'll make an Instagram poll on what time you guys would prefer. Let me think about it and noodle on it a little bit. Okay, this time works because you can focus. Okay, got it. Got it. Okay, that makes sense. That actually makes a lot of sense. Okay, then. Maybe I'll leave it at this time. Okay, anybody who wants to join the Zoom call, last chance till this thing takes off. So I'm gonna X out of the live stream and start the Zoom call. More than likely, I will not be looking at Clove. Okay, fine, sure. Clove. Let's do it. Oh, I have this one. Wait, you mean Clover Health, right? This one, right? Yeah, I have this. I have shares of this, man. I have like 50 shares of this. I'm holding this one for a long-term play. Personally, I don't care about the technicals for this one. I'm holding it because I believe in the fundamentals of the business. It's a next-gen insurance company that uses AI for data-driven insights for medical providers and insurance purpose. So I like the business model itself. That's the reason why I invested in this one. Intrinsic valuation wise, I don't think there's a way to even figure out what the value of this company is just yet, because it's a SPAC. So, I mean, if you tell me $20 for 19 February, I don't think so. I don't know. I wouldn't be able to forecast that at all, because this is not driven by technicals at the moment. I don't think it is. Okay, I hope that answers your question. But I am holding 50 shares of this. Alrighty. Well, guys, nice having you guys on my stream today. Have a great weekend. People who maybe just tuned in or anything like that, we're doing a live trading session on the Zoom call. The link is in the chat, pinned to the top. If you require the passcode, it's there as well. So I'll see you guys on the Zoom call in a second here. Have a great weekend. Enjoy. And I'll see you guys on Monday. Take care, guys. Peace out. Love you all.